Hi, everyone. Today, let's learn about how to use AirDroid Parental Control Web to track your kids' or family's location remotely, with no installation on parents' end. First, visit webparent.airdroid.com on your device and log into your AirDroid account. Next, on your kid's device, open a browser and go to kids.airdroid.at to download AirDroid Kids. Follow the on-screen prompts to bind the devices and grant the necessary permissions. Once paired, you'll be taken to the AirDroid Parental Control Web dashboard. Here, find Location on the left menu. This is your hub for tracking your kids' real-time location. You can tap the refresh icon to check your kids' current location. Need to set boundaries? Tap on the geofence button. Click Add Geofence. Name it something like school or home. Select the location and set your desired radius. You'll receive notifications whenever your kids enter or leave these areas. Curious about their past routines? Back to the location section. Tap on Route History. Here you can view a timeline of their location history. You can navigate through days using the arrows or the calendar icon to access up to 15 days of historical data. So, what are you waiting for? Start using AirDroid Parental Control Web today and never worry about your kids' whereabouts again. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.